Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect your home charger to ChargePoint step by step clearly. To connect your home charger to ChargePoint, start by locating your ChargePoint account credentials. Open the ChargePoint app on your smartphone or tablet. If you do not have the app, download it from the App Store or Google Play. Log into your ChargePoint account using your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Add a ChargePoint home charger option. Follow the prompts to select your home charger model. Ensure your home Wi-Fi is currently active, as the charger will need to connect to the internet. Plug in your charger to your home power outlet. Turn on the charger by pressing the power button, if applicable. The charger should begin its setup process. In the app, tap on Connect to Charger to start pairing your devices. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect the charger to your Wi-Fi network. Enter your Wi-Fi password when prompted. After successful connection, the app will notify you that the charger is linked to your account. You may run a test charge by plugging in your electric vehicle. Monitor the charging status through the app for any issues. Once your charger is connected, you can customize settings in the app. Explore scheduling options if you want to charge during off-peak hours. Your home charger should now be fully integrated with ChargePoint. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.